Hello dear students, today we are going to do the revision of poem Why. Here in this poem, the poet is very curious to know that why this happens, why that happens. He has many questions in his mind and he wants to know that why the wood swim, you all know that it floats, okay, wood floats on water. And then the why the lead and marble sink means goes inside the water. And why sun should shine, why the sun is shining, why the wind is blowing, and why do we eat and drink. He wants to know all these things and he is very curious to know about this. And he wants to know that what makes the cloud, how the clouds are made, and why they cross the sky, why they are crossing the sky, the clouds. Then why sinks the sun behind the hills, why the sun goes behind the hill. Even every child wants to know all these things. So this little boy is very curious to know about all these things. And why the flower dies, means it goes like it is not standing in standing position, it goes down. Then some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try, okay. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. It means other many people or anyone don't know the answer of all these whys of this boy, okay, who is very curious to know. No one knows these answer because these are the questions which are not founded yet, okay. So there are some new words in this chapter and I'm going to do the question answers part now. We are going to revise. Here you can see that why. Name a few things that sink. You know that lead and marble sinks in water, just now I have told you. Then list 3 things that the little boy asked. What are the 3 things that little boy asked? Why wood should swim, why sun should shine, why wind should blow. What sort of boy is described in the poem? He was very curious. Curious means he wants to know about everything, okay. So he was very curious boy. Then the next one, there are some more questions that we are going to do now. It is about let's talk, okay. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? We cannot look at the sun during a solar eclipse because its light get very strong and it can make us blind, okay. Why can't we touch the sky? We cannot touch the sky because it is very far away from us, okay. Then why can't we go out to play in the dark? We cannot go out to play in the dark because as we cannot see in the dark, we can hurt ourselves, okay dear students. So these are some questions that are asked in this, which are asked in this poem, and you have to learn all these questions. And even the poem may be asked in your test, in your exam, so you have to do these all questions, okay. Thank you, learn very well.